Hi there, it's Ellie from Elfsight. Let's build your contact form widget and install it on your website with no coding in less than 2 minutes. Let's jump in and see how it works. Go to elfsight.com and open the widgets menu. Find contact form. Then click Create Widget to open the live editor. From here, you can start building your widget right away. Choose a template to define the basic look of your contact form. Now let's explore the editor and see what you can customize. Start in the Build Form section by adding and arranging your fields. For example, add a consent field, and it appears in the preview right away. Next, open Email tab to set up notifications, so you receive an email whenever a submission occurs. Then go to Layout and choose how your form should be embedded, inline or floating pane. After that, switch to Appearance to customize the color scheme, accent colors, fonts, and form elements to match your website's design. Then open Settings to choose the form's behavior, set language, and enable spam protection with reCAPTCHA. Finally, in Integrations, you can connect various services to automate form submissions. Finish the setup and hit Add to Website to move on. Next, sign up or log into your account. Click Publish, then choose the free or paid plan to continue. You'll see a pop-up with your installation code. Click Copy Code. You can install the widget on your HTML website. If you need more detailed instructions, you can check out our tutorials, where you'll find step-by-step guides on embedding widgets into templates, specific HTML pages, and other platforms. Your widget can also be shared via a direct link. If you'd prefer not to set it up yourself, simply ask for a free installation from our support team. We'll take care of all the technical steps and make sure your widget is up and running. Now, let's add the widget to your website. Open your website's admin panel. Go to the page where you want the widget to appear. Find the option to add custom code or an embed block to that page. Paste your contact form installation code there, preferably before the closing /body tag or in the page's custom code field. Save the changes. And that's it. Your contact form is ready for visitors. All set in just a few minutes. Enjoyed the video? Support Elfsight, like, subscribe, and ask us anything in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.